Dear students, welcome to our new class. We are continuing our chapter 2 from hunting, gathering to growing food, part 7. A closer look living and dying in Mehrgarh. Find Mehrgarh on this map. This site is located in a fertile plain near the Bolan Pass, which is one of the most important routes into Iran. Bolan Pass is one of the most important routes into Iran. Mehrgarh was probably one of the places where people learned to grow barley and wheat and rear sheep and goats for the first time in this area. It is one of the earliest villages that we know about. At this site, many animal bones were found. Bones of wild animals such as the deer and pig and also bones of sheep and goat were found. Other finds at Mehrgarh include remains of square or rectangular houses. Each house had 4 or more compartments, some of which may have been used for storage. Here you can see Mehrgarh houses. Nowadays, archaeologists found these places. When people die, their relatives and friends generally pay respect to them. People look after them, perhaps in the belief that there is some form of life after death. Burial is one such arrangement. Several burial sites have been founded. In one instance, the dead person was buried with goats, which were probably meant to serve as wood in the next world. Here you can see some burials. Nowadays, the archaeologists found in that area. Now we are going to learn about some another important facts in this chapter elsewhere. First one is cave paintings in France. The painting below is from a cave in France. This site was discovered by 4 school children more than 100 years ago. Paintings like this were made between 20,000 and 10,000 years ago. Many of these were of animals such as wild horses, aurochs. Aurochs means an older wild form of cattle. Bison, woolly rhinoceros, reindeer and bear, painted in bright colors. Next one is a Neolithic site. One of the most famous Neolithic sites, Çatalhöyük, was found in Turkey. Several things were brought from great distance flying from Syria, cowries from the Red Sea, shells from the Mediterranean Sea, and used in the settlement. Remember, there were no carts. Most things would have been carried on the backs of pack animals such as cattle or by the people.